Hello? The next one is inspired by the billboards and the traffic of EDSA.
Yeah.
You're my traffic. You're my rose that blossoms, and you'll see that bleeds. I can't give you a bag full of money or a feast fit for a king, but I can give you sweet honey or lyrics for your voice to sing. I may not have a chariot waiting for you, or a Lamborghini as yellow as the sun. In this white canvas I can give you heaven, with a pen review the meaning of fun. I may not have a credit card with me, with accounts from here to Hawaii. Still I can spend something for you. When I do, you will wonder why. It's a world of laughter and tears, filled with high-tech material. A life of tug and war leaves an unsolved riddle, blurring sight or heart where balance isn't the middle. Whistling a good tune, dusky night with a gleaming moon, and tedious traffic singing along as a radio station plays a song. Inside a car, thoughts are afar, my heart's in a whirl for this girl. A sight whispers it's true. I snap my fingers, then it is a gift I give to you. With love, you shall not worry. With heart, you shall not sigh. With wit, you will flurry. Look deep into my mischievous eyes. A smirk that is taunting, a touch that is teasing. Nice and naughty surely would be pleasing. Hooters, honkers put me back on track. Oh, reality, it's traffic I see. She's just under a billboard ad, smiling down at me. I shrug my shoulders, looking around. Heed a voice resounds. Be my rose that blossoms, and you'll see that bleeds. Be my rose that blossoms, and you'll see that bleeds. Thank you.